And what's up, everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So today I'm here in the beautiful Lake Las Vegas in the city of Henderson. So today we're going to be exploring these new homes by Lennar. Now, the name of this community, right? Armano consists of 75 lots. Pick and choose from. Now, real quick, if you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button. But today we're going to be focusing on the Lynn model. Now, on these other models here, we do have videos on that as well. If you guys have not had a chance to check out these videos, go back into the playlist and check these models out. Now, the Lynn model. The Lynn model features 1,949 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. The base price on here is $424,990. Now let's get right into it. Let's see exactly what you get for your money. Now, based upon all the builders out here, I love the fact that what you see is what you get. I would say about 95% of the stuff that you do see. So, disclosures, because this one has a pool, you don't get the pool. So, I'm going to take you guys off to the side. There's a couple things that we need to take a look at. Okay, number one, if we take a look, we have a source for your solar panels. With this community, you get the solar panels. Here's the shutoff. Here's your panels for your main house. And take a look at this. You have your demarc here. This is where all your connections for your TV and all that stuff, and it's going to run all the way up to the smart panel box. I'm going to show you that later on when we tour the home. Right here, we have a track system. This is for the pest control system. What happens is your home inspector comes in here and plugs it in. Boom. Next thing you know it, there's lines that run all inside the house. We'll shoot that chemical into your drywall, not your drywall, but into your walls, so that way termites and critters or whatever it is can't come in. Now, keep in mind, it is always best that you still get a pest control company to spray along the outside of your walls too as well. Right here, we got your pressure valve, your breaker valve right here. That is for your sprinkler system. Here is your gas meter right here. Here's your indicator for your main water line. Here is your water valve, right? Wash your cars and all that stuff. Here is the irrigation control valve. Just wanted to show you. And also what you're going to notice is that there's always going to be a clean out somewhere. You need to find out where that clean out is. For in this case, here's your clean out here. Now, one thing that's very important when it comes to your clean out, sometimes the clean out could be underneath your driveway. If it is, you're pretty much screwed. Also, one thing that I've learned, right, is this. Your main water line is here, right, to your home, to the garage. Then it comes out to here. Sometimes the water line is on this side, and they run that water line underneath your driveway, then to the side garage. In this case, it looks like your water line's on this side. Now, if you have a concrete driveway, right, if the water line breaks, now you got to cut a hole into your main line. Sometimes these water lines are right here down the middle. Then what happens is when you have a driveway and you keep driving on it, you can literally crush that. So you want to see where that main water line is, okay? And it's a lot easier when the main water line is off to the side. If it does bust, it's a lot cheaper to dig versus cutting that concrete floor. Trust me, from experience, all right? Now, let's go right into the house. A couple things that I've noticed. You have the color block with the two-tone, right? You have the stucco, concrete stucco that has been sprayed. One has been sprayed heavy. One's a little bit light. Gives you that contrast. And also you have that double stack too as well on the stone, which looks really nice. Now, property does come with a Ring doorbell and a key pad here. Okay? And what is the key number? Let's go inside. Oops. Oh, I'm in, baby. I'm in. Now, as we come right into the property here. Ooh, I gotta say, beautiful, nice, and open. Start off with the flooring here. We have the 12 by 24 on the tile. Porcelain tile. Beautiful quartz countertop. Now this quartz countertop right here, folks, this would be a level upgrade right here. We're leveling up on this one. That's right. You have the standard cabinet shakers, okay? But I do love this granite. And I love how they 45'd on this granite here, so it looks like it's all streamlined, which is great. Couple things right here. I've noticed right here is not as straight. I would have them redo this during my walkthrough. Okay? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Boom. You see that? Now, also the other thing is that a lot of people think that you do have the 2-inch with this front face, right? It's really not. It's only about a 1/2 inch, and then you have this plywood right here, this particle board. You see this? It's all an optical illusion, folks. 42 upper cabinets with the 3-inch crown. Beautiful backsplash. However, we talked about backsplashes like this. You see how porous this backsplash is? You can't cook on this. The problem is that you're going to get grease. You're going to change the discoloration on this unless you seal it. But also by sealing it, sealing doesn't really last that long, okay? Love the fact that we do have a sink right here too as well. Beautiful, beautiful sink, undermounted. And all the blinds has come with it too as well. You got the beautiful cabinets. I know it's a little bit dark here. I'm going to go a little bit slower for you guys here. There you go. Orange peel texture. 3 inches on the baseboard, straight edge cornering. 9-foot ceilings. That is right. 9-foot ceilings. Matter of fact, I'm going to have to come back over here real quick. Grab my boy Rudy. My boy Rudy. I'm going to give a shout out to Rudy because Rudy's been doing a really good job. Hard work. Hey, Rudy. Are you waiting on me, bud?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Just come in and shoot, man. Yeah, I wasn't realizing that you were waiting on me.
It's all good. That's why I did that one because I thought you was gonna go do like this one.
Oh.
So I could just be behind you.
Oh, my bad.
That's all good.
That's why I went to the first one because that's what I thought.
No, I went to this one so you can come to this one and then I can just be behind you.
All right, well, give everybody a quick shout out.
What's going on, y'all?
All right, back to where we were. Okay, so we have a vinyl slide. The vinyl slide is a 12-foot vinyl slide. Now, with these vinyl slides, these are dual pane windows with the low E, which is great. However, because as big as this window are in the slides, they're very flimsy. I'm not going to be able to open this up, okay, because there's actually a pull out here. But if there's a balcony upstairs, I'll show you what I'm talking about. But wow, take a look at that pool. Gorgeous, huh? You can literally build a pool roughly around $60,000 for a pool like this, okay? Depending on the pool company. Now let's go this way. We have a thermostat right here. There's going to be 2 thermostats. I believe on this house is a dual zone, which means you have 1 condenser, right? With 2 thermostats that controls 2 sections of the home. 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs. This is a pretty large bathroom. The only thing I don't like about this bathroom is you have a bathroom right off the kitchen. So now when somebody makes a stink, everybody's going to smell it, right? Let's take a look at here. You do have your pantry. Decent sized pantry. I love how they tuck that pantry away. Okay. Now these are not solid doors. Here's the 2-car garage. We don't need to go into the 2-car garage because I don't have the key for the 2-car garage. Oh, let's see if we can get inside. Ta-da! We're inside, baby. Now, 2-car garage. Let's see what we have here. Now, 2-car garage. We talked about this in the past. Make sure this is actually a 2-car garage, right? 2 feet here, 2 feet on this side. Great, perfect. That's what we want. I know it's a little bit dark. I do apologize. Tankless water heater. Now, with the tankless water heater, you do have the option on tankless water heater, okay? You can put a circulation valve on here. It's going to cost you about $1,500. I would actually do a circulation valve on here so that way it rotates the hot water throughout. So that's great. Also, property does come with, as you can see right here, soft water loop. That is a plus. Some builders will charge you for the soft water loop. Also, one thing that I didn't talk about in a long time that you guys need to be aware of is right here. A lot of these homes now, all in Henderson, according to code, you have to have this sprinkler system. Now, the sprinkler system, what happens is the main water is tied into the sprinkler system, right? Now, from the master bathroom, the toilet, the way it's designed now, every time they flush the master toilet, it circulates the water inside that line, right? So that way, if, God forbid, there was a fire, right? And one of these things actually pop and break, and I think it rates up to 120 degrees before it busts. It only breaks in one area and it puts out the fire. Now, keep in mind, if you didn't have that circulation valve in that plumbing, every time you flush that toilet, what would happen is, if there was a fire, you're going to get like moldy, smelly, stinky water. So that's the reason why sometimes you're going to hear your toilet flush. There's nothing wrong with it, okay? So as we come up onto the second floor, we have somewhat a loft. I don't know if this is considered a loft or not. Let me know in the comments below. Now, off to the left, as we walk down this hallway, is the first bedroom. Now, first bedroom, oh, you know what? It's pretty long. I'm going to say it's probably 10 by 13. This is a very unique bedroom. Normally, they don't make bedrooms this long. Whew. All right. So, this bedroom, let's see if we get you got the cable outlet here, which is really nice, but not the Cat 6. It should already be standard with the Cat 6. 6-panel door, we have some shelving here. All right, for your linen closet. Off to the right, we should have a bathroom. Now, one thing that I would love to see is option for 2 sinks, not 1 sink, especially when you have a bedroom here, and this bathroom services these 2 bedrooms. The cabinet, same color as the cabinets downstairs, Corian countertops, and cast iron sink and Moen fixtures. And what you're going to see is pretty much everything is kind of like the same, but just the design and the layout is completely different. Okay? And on this one, you only have 2 Traverse LED lights. We have our second thermostat here. We talked about insulation. I think on the insulation on here in the attics are actually R30, and inside the walls are R15. And these are all batten. And a lot of the builders now are not doing a Hertz rating. And a Hertz rating is actually a third-party company that comes out and pressurizes the home to see how efficient the home is. Laundry room, you got a gas dryer. Standard shelves. Here's your smart panel box. Okay. And your attic access is going to be right above here. All right, let's go take a look at the master. Master is very large, okay? You got a king-size bed on the master. You got the nightstand. Nightstands are about 3 feet on each nightstand. And also you have another 3 more feet on each side. So it's pretty large here. Also, I noticed on this one, you do have the jumper duct is a return line to your air conditioner, which is really nice. So it sucks up a lot of that heat. I'd rather have that than the transfer grill. And I would rather have the transfer grill than not have it. Than you have your doors about 1 inch high, because it used to suck out heat through the bottom of your door, but that makes no sense because heat rises, right? Looking at the pool here, isn't that gorgeous? Nice walking trail, beautiful covered patio. I mean, this is nice. Don't get me wrong. Clubhouse. Nice clubhouse. To sign up for this clubhouse is a $10,000 fee. Okay? Quick tip. If you buy a home, brand new home, make sure you ask and it's negotiated that they pay for that fee up front, $10,000. After that, there's a membership fee. I think it's like for a single, it's like $150. If you do like a pair, it's like $200 or something like that. For a family, it's like 2 and some change. I don't remember exactly. However, because we are located in Lake Las Vegas has a master plan community fee. And that master plan community fee is $375 a quarter. Yes, that's right, $375 a quarter. You divide that by 3, it comes down to $125 a month. However, We are in a sub, which is a gated community for this neighborhood, right? So that's going to be $82 more a month, so it gives you a grand total of $207 a month. That's right, $207 a month. Now that doesn't include the clubhouse. Imagine paying 10 grand for the clubhouse. But just make sure when you buy a home like this, it's negotiated. Okay? It's a one-time fee. Tub, shower, fiberglass. And your linen closet. And then we have our water closet here. Now it's time to end the video. That's right. We're going to take one more lap down. We're going to finish it up. And you guys know how I like to end these videos by asking you to subscribe to the channel, hitting that like button because that definitely helps out the algorithm. And the more likes that you hit, the better it is. And the reason why is because that helps me to pay for Rudy. Rudy doesn't do this for free. Right, Rudy?
Yes, sir.
See, Rudy don't do this for free. So if you want to support Rudy, give us a thumbs up. Okay? If you don't want to support Rudy, give us a thumbs down. Never mind. Give us a thumbs up. Other than that, finish out this video, Rudy.
Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate the support, and we'll see you in the next one.